Did you know that 46% of all Google searches are seeking local information? Imagine your business popping up right when potential clients are searching for services you offer. That's the power of a Google business profile. For healthcare and wellness professionals, visibility is crucial. A Google business profile boosts your online presence, making it easier for clients to find and trust you. It's like having a digital storefront open 24/7. Start by visiting google.com business and signing in with your business email. This ensures all communications are professional and centralized. Enter your business name and select the category that best describes your services. Decide if clients visit you or if you go to them. For clinics, enter your address. For mobile services, specify your service area. This choice helps Google direct the right clients to you. Ensure your contact details are accurate and add a website, if you have one. Verification is key. Your profile won't appear on Google until it's verified. Choose the verification method that suits you best. For service area businesses, remember to hide your physical address. This keeps your profile clean and focused on the areas you serve. It's a simple toggle in the Edit Profile section. Delegate profile management by assigning roles to team members. This ensures your profile stays updated and accurate. Simply go to Settings and select Add User to get started. Join our free webinar for more digital marketing tips tailored for healthcare and wellness businesses. Like and follow us for ongoing support and updates. Let's grow your online presence together.